I have Korean friend. Can you introduce your name?
I'm Kevin from South Korea.
Actually, you live in Philippines. And today, we prepared a tutorial for you. The content is a simple expression used by young Korean friends. It's really easy, right?
Yeah.
These are things that are often expressed in Korean entertainment, programs, or dramas. I think you can learn step by step with us. So, let's get started.
Study.
So, this is the situation when you use this word, DAE-BAK. Today, we prepared one word, like DAE-BAK. Kevin, how do we use it, the word DAE-BAK?
Let's see.
Oh, Oppa! I passed the interview! I have a job for tomorrow.
어? 대박!
Yes! I win!
오, 대박!